Hello, my name is Gulnoza Hakimova and today I'm presenting lab assignment number 1. In this assignment we had to create a database and add noise to it using coin flip function and assign weight to tails and heads. And also we had to calculate the difference between original database and the noisy database. So let's look at the code. So here I'm defining a function which will create a database and will return a database of ones and zeros. The second function, query main, it will calculate mean of the dataset. Also, I'm defining flip a coin function where we will pass tail probability, so it will return either 0 or 1 with the weight assigned to tail, and we can pass values from 0 to 1. Next function is create noise list. So for that function accepts original database and tail probability, which we're gonna assign to our flip coin function. So first we're defining empty list, and we will look through original database and get value from our flip a coin function where we will be passing tail probability, and if value equals to 1, which is head, we will add value of the original database to our noise list, and if value equals 0, which is tail, we will flip a coin again and we will add that value to our noise list, and then that function will return that list to us. So here I am assigning probability value of 0.75, which is 75%. I am creating original database of 10,000 10,000 entries. Here our noisy list will create as a noisy list, and we are passing original dataset, which are like all true answers, and tail probability value, which is 75%. And then we are calculating min of the original database, and here I am calculating min value of the noisy database, and here is the function formula which will calculate truth of the noisy database. So I am taking result, the mean result of database, and subtracting from it tail probability value times 1 minus tail probability value, and it's all divided by tail probability value. I'm calculating truth based on following formula here. Let me highlight it. And at the end I'm outputting results. As we can see, if head probability is 25% and tail probability is 75%, our original data set equals to 0.50, and the truth will be 0.17. Let me run my code and we can change probability and see what outcome we will have. Here I'm defining all the functions. Okay, here as we can see, output is this. Let me change this to 50%, so tail probability will be 50% and head probability will be 50%, which should give us original dataset, and truth should be almost the same value. Here as we can see, 50 and 49. Let me change it to 25%, so tail probability will be 25% and head probability will be 75%. So let's see the values here. Here we go. As we can see, the values are shown here. Let me increase it to 80%. So as we can see, results changed as well. Our original data set is 0.49 and the truth based on our noisy dataset is 0.13. That's all for today. Thank you very much.